What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to remove the door panel from a 100 series Land Cruiser. Check it out. So let's start with the overview. We're going to remove 2 screws and then 2 more screws and the trim pieces that are covering those up. You've got 4 screws along the bottom and then 3 retaining clips, 2 on the right and 1 on the left. Let's start with the easiest trim first. These little caps, you're just going to slide your trim removal tool in and they'll pop right off. The trim removal tools make this so much easier. Phillips screwdriver, take out those 2 screws. This piece can come off in 2 ways, except it can't. It can come off in 1 way. That big clip in the front needs to be pushed in, and then you'll pry it up with your heftier removal tool. Undo those connectors and then you'll take out this screw. Take off this little cover, that'll pop right off. Get your screw out of there. Removing this is probably the trickiest piece. So you want to do the bottom clip first, and you need to use your tool right where I am, and then slide into the top and then pry upwards, and that will come right out. These guys, you're just gonna pop them in with your Phillips screwdriver and then pull them right out. It's a pop and pull. Tackle those 4 screws on the bottom of the door and pop off that cap on the tweeter. Now you're ready to pull the door panel away from the door. And that will take those retaining clips out. And don't forget that last connector for the light. And that's it, you're done. If you've also done this job and have any tips or tricks, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Peace.